pound-for-pound king Manny Pacquiao had expected Floyd Mayweather Jr. to win, but he didn't dwell on it much as he buckled down to training for his bout against Miguel Cotto. From Baguio City, Chivo Trinidad on cue.
Despite the 4-month break, Manny Pacquiao seems to be just picking up where he left off. Before the break has gone in the city of Manny, Pacquiao formally started his training by taking a 4-round jog at the famous Burnham Park. Barely 5 hours after his lung-busting jog, Pacquiao then tested his reflexes and punching powers under the watch of his deputy trainer, Buboy Fernandez, who was amazed at the way Pacquiao attacked the mitts for 8 grueling rounds.
Pinaiba na masyadong lang daw tayong lit sa training. Sabi ko, kaya ako, tumatawa-tawa na lang ako eh. Kasi alam ko talaga ano ni Manny, na oras start ng training, hindi mo naman pwedeng turuan eh. Alam niya yung gagawin niya, at alam niya yung ginagawa niya.
Pacquiao even managed to play basketball after his gym work. Where does he get that seemingly boundless energy? For Fernandez, it's a gift.
Wala, ano yung baterya meron yan? Bakit para ayaw tumigil? Ibang baterya yan eh, sariling gawa ng Pacquiao.
As for Pacquiao, it's from the inspiration he gets from his Filipino fans.
Mas malakas ang loob ko at saka may inspirasyon ako ng mga tao na lagi sumusuporta sa akin, kaya kailangan pagbutihan ng pag-ensayo ko. Ganado ang mag-ensayo.
The reigning pound-for-pound king also praised the former pound-for-pound king Floyd Mayweather Jr. for winning the fight against Juan Manuel Marquez. From Baguio City, Chio Trinidad reporting on cue.